YouTube? It's your girl Ava. Welcome to a brand new video. And today, it's Christmas! Again. Yeah. So we'll be posting part 2. It's been 2 days since the first part. I think it's only got 1 view. That's okay though. But, so, in order to create stuff like widgets, if you haven't watched, you have to press the plus. And I'm sorry, I have my little tripod in my hand. You're gonna want to press the plus. And on this side is all your standards, like the media stores, whatever. And if you have VR in your streaming, you're gonna want to do open VR capture. So if you have Steam VR or Open VR. I'm pretty sure Steam is free. I'm not gonna link Steam since we're not using Steam. So you got chat box. I advise, well, anywhere's fine for you. Some people put it over here, but I like it right here. It isn't too much of a distraction, and I can pull it to be really short of a chat box right under here. So I can be reading. And just saying, you guys, I'm not going to be reading the chat, you guys. I'm sorry, you guys. Especially when I'm gaming, because I don't have my monitor yet, and I didn't get a monitor for Christmas, but that's okay. So I like my alert box just around over here. And make sure, you guys, it's not too loud. For some reason, look at this. Look where alert box is. And then, that isn't too bad. It wouldn't, won't hurt a person, I guess. Wouldn't hurt anyone's ears. So I'm going to make that a little smaller. So, subscriber. Boom. Talks and Plays just subscribed. I just subscribed. So you guys are going to want to add your PC first. Then your video capture device. I forgot to name it it's both video capture device. I forgot to name both. So I have my audio capture device right here. So sometimes it works, but after that you're gonna chat your chat box and alert box. So now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to add this stuff. And guys, make sure your alert box, you have to add it. It's an essential. So your subscriber goal, let's do this. Subscriber goal, ad source. Unless you have another ad source. So we are 13, and I want to get a 35 in 170 days. So let's create a new goal, you guys. So I want to go, sub goal. So you guys are going to add a title. I'm making it sub goal. You guys can add a follower goal if you're doing Twitch, but this is for YouTube. Since I only stream on YouTube. So I'm at 13 right now, and I want to get 35. And I started at 13. So I want to end it at 12. Okay. Okay, May is 05. 18, 20, 21. I did that. We did those. So again, once you have it there, you see, I'm 37.14 away from getting my 35 subscriber goal. And we only have 143 days left, you guys, before my birthday. So if we could get me 35 or more subs before my birthday, that would be so good, you guys. But you see, you have your little subscriber goal. See? You're always going to add the widgets at the top because, see, and then your chat box will always, it should show. So then, you guys, here, let's do a viewer count too. So, viewer count. Add source, Twitch viewers, and YouTube viewers. Front settings, done. As you guys can see, I have 0 viewers currently since this is not a literal stream. So I'm gonna try to make this as big as possible. And if Control Shift Alt works. No, that's Control Shift Alt. Yo, it worked, you guys. Let's go. So you guys can just... Don't judge me because I like it small. I like it big, sorry. I cannot speak today, you guys. I'm sorry. And you know what? That needs to be smaller. What? This Streamlabs like not my friend. And you see, guys? See how that's working? So... It should have both sides. You should be able to see it. So you see how it... This is to the edge, just to the end of my stream. So, good job. Good job, me. So do not put this subscriber... I cannot. The viewer count in the middle and make it small. I don't know why I made it big. Because I'm an idiosos. Boom. So you guys can put it opposite if you want. You guys can put it exactly the same. No way, did we just get a subscriber, you guys? No. Did someone actually just subscribe? Holy shit. If someone actually just subscribed and you just subscribed, I thank you guys so much for subscribing. But it's probably just another one of those glitches or something. Another glitch. Alright guys, let's cross our fingers and hope we have 14 I'm trying not to scream right now. Okay. Please work this time because I want to know if I have 14 subscribers and I might actually get 35 before my birthday, which is May 18th. As you guys can probably tell. And if you did just subscribe, you guys, ooh, that's dark. Sorry. Thank you. Skipped frame detected over 2 minutes, a few seconds ago. That's gonna happen. Oh, no, no, what is happening? Glitches in the computer are very much likely. Me being impatient because I want to eat. Now I'm going on YouTube on my phone, you guys. I cannot deal with YouTube right now. Your channel? Nah, another glitch. Great. Now that's just actually sad. You know what? The subscriber goal makes me too happy. It makes me too happy. Oh, the tour of my drawing is only 0.1 second. Okay, I'm gonna take that down, you guys. 1 sec, I need to take down a video. Oh shoot, am I getting comments turned off? Whatever, I'm gonna change that video. So guys, let's get back to what I was trying to do. So you guys had your subscriber goal, whatnot. So then, what you guys are gonna want to do next? A tip: you guys can do donation goals, Streamlabs. You guys do charity or like a charity goal, a media share, a spin. Okay, this looks fun. So that could happen, and a stream boss battle of who bids the most. What? Oh, this is like Twitch bits and stuff. The jar, donations, subs, follows, bits, and hosts. Man, okay. This is what the chat box looks like. So, if you read some of this is actually kind of funny. Your friends, please. So, everything. Boom. Donation goal. Tip, ticker. Event list. Oh, this person's rich. Viewer count, of course. credits, of course. Sponsor banner, if you guys have any sponsors. A membership goal, and a stream label. I kind of like the stream label. Add a new source again. Stream label. Okay, this stuff doesn't work. As you can tell, there's a black line right here, so done. So if that happens, you guys can do that. Alright, you guys, you got the viewer count. You guys should have oh, okay, that was being mean to me. So you guys have everything you need. This is just my simple one. It's just an alert box, but this is my scene 2. You guys have everything. Okay. You guys might need to click that. Alright. So you guys, that's basically everything for today. Let me look. Oh, an image, of course. Color source, color stuff, I guess. Browser source, image slide, yeah. I'm not going to go over my settings because I actually need to change some of my settings. But so far, I have stream, so this is what I got for stream. I logged into my Talks and Plays account. And, oh, you need Prime? Oh, jeez, oh, God, okay. Now, Streamlabs, you need to join their Prime in order to stream on Twitch here. So that's kind of bad, you guys, because, you know, I don't spend money on stuff like that. So output, simple mode, oh yeah, okay, now let this, so, I don't know why it's not letting me do anything here. So you guys, I'm pretty sure if you're, you guys, I think his name is Maza. If you guys look on his channel, he should have some good stuff for his bitrate, but if your upload speed, I think, is anywhere but above 5 or 10, it should be around, like, 4,000, 5,000. And, like, also, people like Pokey, everyone, Ninja, for an example, I don't know if he does that, though. Papa Jake, I don't think he streams, but he might stream. They all have a bitrate of below 9,000. So make sure to keep your video bitrate below 9,000. So you got your video, customs, whatever, and blah, blah, blah. I have some notifications. So Prime, you can get a game overlay, like, by doing this. See, but let's turn that off because I don't want to do that. You got so you can install a virtual webcam, remote controls. Don't show this code on stream. Click to reveal. Your theme could be night or day. Jesus Christ. I advise night. Your chat text size, I'm not 75. Notifications. Detect. Sorry. Basically. Okay. Scene collections, advanced mode. So, process priority. I say normal should be nice. Color format, just I'd keep it out here and stuff. Output, audio. So if you have like a mic, I don't know why it's on stereo, you guys. Keep it on low and whatnot. Audio. If you mic. So desktop. So you got your speakers and your microphone. I don't have a stereo mic, I don't think. Or default, but I have this. That was my default, I guess. Video, hotkeys. Oh, this S to start streaming. So you can minus streams. So K to start streaming. S to stop. Okay, let's make this better. A to start streaming and S to start streaming, D to start recording, and F to enable studio mode. Skip alert F. No, wait, I've already done that. Alright, I'm gonna make this easier. So 1 to start streaming, 2 to stop streaming, 3 to start recording, 4 to start recording. So this, guys, will help you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enable studio mode. 5, disable. 6, transition. 7, save replay. 8, toggle and game overlay. 9, 11, and so that will be backspace. Skip alerts will be space, and toggle performance will be number pad 2 if you have that. And if you don't have that, then do an L. Now I need to figure out how to do L. L. You guys can just do random numbers if you guys want. But that's what you guys got, and I'm gonna try doing this, you guys. So let's get into something. Alright, perfect. So this is the end, you guys. This is a very white screen. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Boing! It stopped already. As you can see, it did not stop. Brother, can you stop, please? 1. Go back to settings. I hate this. This is annoying. Can you stop? Grr. I want to press 2 to stop. I might have just exited out of this, and now I'm really mad. Oh, did I start streaming? Oh, stop recording is full. Alright, guys, I will see you in the next video.